Number 5. Monoprice. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer is a great machine for those looking for an upgrade to the ever-popular Mini Delta. With updated features like a touchscreen control, updated firmware and UI, and a quieter drivers, this machine is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The printer is also compatible with Cura and many other open-source 3D printing slicing software packages, making it a great option for those who want to tinker, as well as for those who just want a great machine that works with their preferred software. Number 4. Snapmaker. The Snapmaker J1 is a high-speed 3D printer that features independent dual extruders, ultra-fast print speed, and smoothing optimization. With cast and machine parts, linear rails, intuitive software, and user-centered designs, the J1 is also refined and solid. The product includes everything you need to start your maker journey, and overall features include dual material printing, breakaway supports, and dissolvable supports for easy removal, copy mode and mirror mode that double productivity, up to 350 mm per second printing speed, and up to 10,000 mm per second squared acceleration, ultimate rigidity from the one-piece die casting, high-precision linear rails, and aluminum alloy frame, and the ability to print with advanced materials including nylon, reinforced nylon, PC, TPU, and PACF. The 5-inch intuitive touchscreen makes it easy to use, and the fast and forward design means you can get started quickly. Number 3. FlashForge. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is a great 3D printer for beginners. It's easy to use, with a simple interface and plenty of features. The build plate is level at the factory level, so you don't need to do any extra leveling. The removable nozzle is easy to clean. The quick heat-up nozzle means that you can start printing quickly. The auto filament loading system is a great feature, as it will automatically suspend printing if the filament is broken or run out. The 2.8-inch touchscreen is easy to use and read. The noise level is only 45 decibels, so it's very quiet. Number 2. Anycubic. The Anycubic Vyper is a great choice for those looking for an upgrade from their current 3D printer. The auto-leveling feature is a great addition for beginners, as it takes the guesswork out of leveling the print bed. The printer also has a fast assembly time, thanks to its integrated structure and modular design. The high-performance Cortex M3 chip ensures that the printer runs smoothly and quietly, while the spring steel magnetic platform ensures that your prints are of the highest quality. Number 1. Creality. The Creality Ender 3S1 is the best 3D printer you can buy. The Creality is a great printer for those looking for high precision and quality prints. The quick assembling and easy-to-use interface makes it a great choice for those new to 3D printing, while the power loss recovery and filament sensor ensures that you won't waste any filament or time if there is an accident. So there you have it, the 5 best 3D printers you can buy in 2022. Whether you're looking for the best value, the most features, or the easiest to use, there's a printer on this list for you. So get out there and start printing your dreams today. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.